Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Michi. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and please subscribe. And for those that do actually watch my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Yeah, I am so happy. I reached 200 subscribers maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I'm almost 40 subscribers away from 300 subscribers, so I'm really excited. We're growing, guys, we're growing. But yeah, so it's been a while since I've actually sat down and filmed with you guys. I'm gonna go into that a little bit, and so I kind of wanted to catch up with you guys and actually tell you guys the videos that are going to be coming out. I'm going to be talking about some new projects, some tea, some tea. So if you guys want to know the tea, keep on watching. But yeah, I did keep going on my promises. I did tell you guys that I wanted to film more like makeup, like fall makeup videos and stuff like that for the season, and so I'm keeping good on my promises, and here I am coming back with another fall makeup video. And so yeah, but alright you guys, if you want to know how I achieved this look, then go ahead and continue watching. I'm so excited to be filming again. It's been so long since I've actually sat down and spoke with you guys and like filmed and all of that. I think these last couple weeks I've just been editing in like this little bubble, little rat hole, not like in a depressive way, but like in this like focused kind of place right now. I've been editing all of the New York City diaries, which if you guys haven't watched yet, go ahead and watch them. It's really fun to film and share with you guys and edit all of that. But I'm excited to stay here because I feel like the last time that I actually like the last time that I filmed a video and sat with you guys and talked to you guys is my birthday vlog. I think it was the last time I sat down and I spoke with you guys. So I think that was the last time that I actually filmed, and it's been a while, so I missed it. So, and I'm just sorry in advance if I keep looking at my viewfinder. Just want to make sure everything's good. So yeah, so I just want to take this time to like chit chat with you guys. I already moisturized my face, so I'm just gonna go ahead, you guys already know the primer. I'm just gonna go ahead and primer, and just gonna go ahead and like catch you guys up and talk to you guys about everything, like what's gonna happen, like what videos I'm coming out with, like what's been going on. I feel like I never really talk about myself on the channel, really. I kind of just take you guys on the journey. But basically, I guess it's because I'm still like such a small channel that I'm like, they don't really care, like they don't care. So whatever, but I'm gonna try. Water break. So, and just excuse my nails in advance, they're ratchet as heck, but whatever, we don't have time for that. And we're broke. So next week is Thanksgiving, and I'm really excited. This is my favorite time. If I haven't told you guys that on the channel already like 50 million times, that this is my favorite season. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for Thanksgiving. I'm excited for the holidays. So yeah, I have so many like videos planned, and I'm so excited. But it kind of burns me out a little bit. I'm like really tired of editing, and I was gonna take a break. Like I genuinely was gonna take a break from like filming and editing, just like for like a week or something, but nope, we had to keep going. So there's that. I did tell you guys that I wanted to do more like fall makeup, so I'm keeping good on my promise because I did tell you guys that in the last makeup video that I did for fall. Anyway, so I did tell you guys that I was gonna do one, so here I am keeping good on my promise, you guys, you see. But I guess I'll break the ice here and tell you guys that I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited to do Vlogmas. I've actually dreamt of doing Vlogmas. So yeah, I don't know how it's gonna look like because I work. Yeah, like I don't know how it's gonna work out because I work a lot, and like I really want to do Vlogmas, and I am gonna do Vlogmas. I'm just probably not gonna do it the way every other person on YouTube does it, like filming and editing every single day. I'm gonna try to upload as much as I can, maybe 3, maybe 4 times a week. I don't know, like I have no idea how it's gonna work out, but we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen because I want to do Vlogmas so bad. November 15th, so I have to do a lot of things actually this week and next week for Vlogmas, like prepping for that. So, but I'm excited. So let me just if you're watching this video, you're gonna get all the tea, that people that don't watch the video won't get. So you know what, I'm gonna be true to you guys who have been watching my videos and are watching this video, and I'm gonna spoil it a little bit. So anyway, for Vlogmas, I'm planning to do like a Vlogmas intro, so I'm gonna be working on that next week. And then I'm also gonna start vlogging probably next week because since Thanksgiving is next week, I don't know how you guys are, your traditions are. Anyways, my tradition is to build a Christmas tree, you know, like by Thanksgiving, you know, like to have it there. You know, is that weird? Is it too early? Well, I don't care. Like, I want to be listening to Christmas music like in September, so leave me alone in my business. Period. Anywho, so yeah, so since I want to build my Christmas tree for Thanksgiving, I have to start vlogging from like this week, you know, even though it's not December, because I do want to show you guys like decorating for Christmas, and then the behind the scenes of the intro that I'm going to be filming for Vlogmas. So we're gonna see. So I didn't want to take you guys along. I'm gonna have so much like videos with Sebas. I have a lot of videos coming up with him too, so stay tuned for that. They're gonna be really funny because he's really competitive. I'm not competitive, but it's just I laugh. I'm like the person that laughs, so to see him get all worked up and I just get to laugh at him, it's just gonna be hilarious. So yeah, I'm excited. I have a lot of ideas, you guys, like so many ideas, and I'm just like, oh my god, I don't know, I don't have time for all this stuff because like I work, and you know. Anyway, so I did tell you guys that I was going to like tell you guys some news. Only telling you guys on this video because you guys came to watch. So I am working on a secret project that I'm not telling you guys yet, or anyone necessarily, but I did want to let you guys know that I am going to be working on something. I am currently working on something. I'm looking into it, and I'm really excited because it's something that I wanted. Like, I didn't know I wanted to do, but low-key I've always wanted to do. I just kind of denied it in my own little mind, and I'm really, really excited about it. Like, I'm so excited. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna come out, or I don't know if it's gonna happen in January, or if it's gonna happen like in December. I don't know honestly. Like, like I said, I want to do so many things, but like I can't because I have so much things I want to do, and I'm not gonna have time. And so this project that I'm working on, I really doubt that it will come out in December because I have all the things of Vlogmas going on. Oh, you know what, maybe I'll work for it for like January 1st, you know, because like it's a new beginning, you know. We'll see. But I am working on something, and I'm like really excited to share with you guys, and yeah. So you see, this is the greatness that you guys get for clicking. Girl, shut the heck up. Anyway, so for my birthday, one of my good friends, Ryan, Jenna's brother, I think you guys have met Jenna on the channel before. Yeah, you guys have. Her gifted me this Little Revolution eyeshadow palette, and it's actually like, you guys, like, look at this. Look at all the, can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my god, I just don't want you guys to see my ratchet nails. Do you guys see the eyeshadow? Like, what? That is so, like, that is so fall. Don't really know what eyeshadow I want to do today. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully it comes out good, whatever. Anywho, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the shade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna start in with the shade Sahara. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm so excited for what's coming, and like it's crazy because like 2-3 weeks ago, like right before I was on my trip to New York, I had hit like I was about to hit 200 subscribers, and now I'm about to hit 300 subscribers. And I just wanted to thank you guys all for your support and watching and all the videos and stuff. But yeah, I like this. I like this palette a lot. Go Revolution, period. Should I zoom you guys in so you guys can see me better? Probably would be a good idea. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and build. I'm just gonna go ahead with the shade Affluent. I think that's how you say it, Affluent. That one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and build. I think I'm just gonna shut up for this process because I don't want this video to be like 50 minutes long. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Let's go ahead and put Christmas music, because like whatever. Forget the haters that don't like Christmas in November, okay? Gonna put some Justin Bieber, Mistletoe.
Oh yeah. Come on and give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that good, good loving. Give me that. 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 Give me
so it's very like a cranberry goldy kind of eyeshadow right now. I'm gonna add some lashes, put some lipstick on, and then yeah. Okay, so I went with these because I feel like they're more like holiday festive, you know? Kind of want my eyes to look a lot bigger, so I'm going to be using MAC in the shade A15, or in the shade like Fascinating, and I'm just gonna put my waterline because it's gonna make my eyes look a lot bigger. Okay guys, so this is the eyeshadow look. I do have to put like mascara in the bottom, but I did skip blush, so let me just go ahead and do blush real quick. I actually really like the eyeshadow so far. It looks really like, it looks very festive, very Thanksgiving to me, like holiday. The lashes, oh I forgot to tell you, I Kiss ones in the shade Flirty, and it's so true to like the name because it's a very like flirty. I'm gonna be using the lip liner from Milani in the shade 9. I'm pretty sure it's in the shade Spice, but whatever. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the same, like, well, not the same, but same brand, Milani lipstick. This is actually my favorite. It's in the shade Natural Chick. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, Natural Chick, in shade 25. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair and do my bottom like lash like mascara, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the final look. I did like the mascara at the bottom. Then I just put a little headband, put my hair in a ponytail, and then just kind of curled it at the bottom, and then did like the little two front pieces. So yeah, I feel like this is very like holiday, kind of very like a holiday look. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the way that it came out. I love the makeup look. Alright guys, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, like catching up with me and like chit-chatting with me a little bit and like learning some little things with makeup and all of that. I'm so excited for the next videos to come. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy all the content that's gonna be coming out in the next couple weeks. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm almost at 300, so you know, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Too bad I've been sticking out